Hello everyone, this is Reggie with A-Team Appliance in the shop with a quick tech tip. So this is a Whirlpool direct drive washer, Whirlpool Kenmore. So if this looks familiar, you know what it is. Now, what I'm presenting today is if you have one of these and it's off balance, bang, 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 bang. First thing you want to do is self-level it. So this is the back of the machine. So you basically just tilt it forward, you hear a click, and then you let it lay down, put it back down. If you don't hear this click, then you kind of just push the legs. They might be a little rusted on you. Now, if you've done that and it's still off balance, then you have these gliders. This is the bottom of them. So it sticks in it. It sticks in these holes. It looks like this. So this particular machine needs a glider here. So basically I have it on the side, took the transmission out, just push this out the way, put it back in, line it up, boom, that's it. Make sure when you tilt it back that this is all lined up, because this also can go off. So if yours is kind of like off track like this, like from moving or whatever, that can cause it to go off balance too. So just make sure this triangle here is lined up. Any questions, feel free to comment below. Also, I do a one-on-one live video chat service for anyone that might be stuck on getting their washer and dryer repaired. This is Reggie with A-Team Appliance.